Mr. Prime Minister, 27 babies aged 5 months gestation or more survived late-term abortions in Queensland hospitals last year, and this is the highest number of survivals following attempted terminations in 10 years. But each of these 27 babies were not rendered care and allowed to die. As a medical student who has seen many deliveries and loving care of premature babies, nothing is quite so horrifying as letting a baby perish in a clinic. Is it not the federal government's onus to protect all citizens, especially those who cannot speak for themselves?
Ashley, can you explain the circumstances you're talking about a little further? Of course, if you were talking about the law that protects any citizen and any person, regardless of their age, from physical harm, that is the responsibility of government. I mean, the criminal law in Queensland is obviously enacted by the Queensland Parliament.
Let's go back. I was just talking about late-term abortions here.
Yeah. So all of these babies were more than 5 months old already, and once they were born, there was no protection rendered for them. They were just left to perish. So what will your government do for situations such as these?
Well, this is an area that is very much. The answer, Ashley, is that this is very much an area within the jurisdiction of the state government, and I'm not passing the buck there, but it is. That's the fact. I'm not familiar with the precise terms of the law in Queensland relating to abortion, late term or otherwise. But it's very much a matter within the jurisdiction of the Queensland Parliament.
Now, you've rarely been asked about your Roman Catholic beliefs, but does any of this conflict with your religious beliefs?
Well, what Ashley describes is shocking cases. But you've asked me, as the Prime Minister and the leader of the federal government, what we can do about that. But it is again, I don't know enough about the circumstances, but the law that relates to abortion is very much within the jurisdiction of your Parliament here in Queensland.
We have to move on. We've got quite a few questions still to go.